let's take a closer look at the Matrice 4 Enterprise. This drone is all about power and precision. Its modular design makes it easy for you to customize for your specific mission. Now on to accessory upgrades. You can get an AS1 speaker, which allows for real-time broadcasting and echo suppression, but also can take recorded messages and media imports. There's an AL1 spotlight, which can illuminate objects up to 100 meters away and has intelligent gimbal following. This can also be always on or strobe. You can get a low noise propellers and then a new and upgraded base station, the DRTK3 multifunction station, which I will dive into now in more detail. In base station mode, it uses 5 GNSS systems, 19 frequencies, which can provide RTK broadcasting from multiple drones simultaneously and has a coverage of 15 kilometers. In rover mode, it can be used for ground control point collection and has a built-in coordinate system. Then in relay mode, can increase video transmission distance in tough signal scenarios. It is small in size, so not heavy and clunky to carry around. It's adaptable and has physical buttons for powering on and off, mode switching and status display. It has a self-developed RTK chip with good stability and high performance air dielectric antenna with a phase center accuracy of 2mm. It is IP rated 67, so great for harsher weather conditions. How it works in base station mode: switch it to base station mode, which will give you a green LED. Select the RTK service type as DRTK base station in the controller. Search and connect it to the DRTK3 and calibrate coordinate for the DRTK3. The DRTK3 will then broadcast correction signals to the aircraft. In relay mode, it's compatible with the M4E and M4T. In base station mode, for full functions, it is compatible with the M4E and M4T. But in base station mode for base functions, it's compatible with the other dock series drones, the M300 and M350, the M30 series, the M3E and the M3T, agriculture drones, and the Flycar 30 and Inspire 3. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Please leave your thoughts on the brand new M4E in the comments section below. Thanks again for watching and happy flying!